kropon edi ache NPP ya na meka kire se duru Ghana amamu hu nsem anase Ghana yiedie hu nsem a sabre no na wanya wodo kakra de ama oman na wode wakoma edi oman na chi sanse tro no kra kase oman ni di yi na mosum be di yi. But there is one thing ha dwen pa wokrum ha na de ne se Ghana si epew CMP akoya amanyokuo mienu ena wonumu edi oman na adane sa NDC NPP na eko na eba na ade ba ko ewum ni se sansa sa amanyokuo ahodo mienu no ayi o madwen se wo mu ni amanyokuo fufuro bia wo nchen ye na wo mu be print no anase amanyokuo aka wonumu ya no mutadi ekire ni ankurankura wo mu gina mu su print mi ni bi no wo mu nhyada nye so strong to compete with them in terms of votes ni de ekeka no wonumu ba na ya fa Ghana for se sebe imprediasa ye nim nyansa anase chese ye hu hia. That is how I see it, because onim say oba na de besie bia no okompa acha ye 8 year cycle obesaba enti oba o ni ope bia no abeya akire Ghana for na okọ, because onim say there is a guaranteed 8 years here eden ya ni nua no waka no nso beba enti ube say NPP beba na wabeka ensemde na Ghana for age atum na ye de naba oba no wabe mess up na oko NDC su akire no nso tomrade na ade naba no no so betre ho a acha 8 years no wa mess up na wasa ko fa MPP sa ade naba sa ye di o madane adane sa anti amama nyokuo mienu no chese wonu trimu ya omode. Na I'm not surprised ewo nia ekoso sisi ewo mabunu trim ene de manfo bi susu. Na last year report to be by out. In fact, na kire se Ghana mabuna ewo maimu no aye disappointed in this two party system no a ekoso ewukuru ano NDC NPP sem no. Na GNA report to be a womu true dwa na CDD womu publish reporter CDD aye Center for Democratic Development na womu ekire se Ghana fo mabuna wo ho sesei no je fato so mame Ghana fo mabuna wo mu sesei no wuchemu mienu a emu fa ene kakra sa aka ho wo mu nyaaya na nke ye free sa NDC NPP semunu na nka mpo asrafo age wo man no e manage ti se de nka bokina ayi na nke ye nya traro bi no age wo man no wafa no wodi wo man no so na nke NDC NPP semunu nyina ye refi etuba Facebook a April 26 2025 Ghana News Agency publish e ka ho asem about CDD Center for Democratic Development Ghana. Wonomo survey a omaya kire se Ghana mabunu or say the survey conducted by the Center for Democratic Development Ghana reveals that 51% of citizens Ghana for wa and awhwem mabunu no so the same percentage enegina when you go into the report, but or kire se Ghana for nyina kura kan ye bomu a emu 51% efi say enka asrafo enye wo man ni mu so eni so because omu hu the NDC NPP no so mfaso looking at said ye etoda bia enoma esi eko wait ye kire anu atomrade oba na wabe no mapoto na wo hwe wo mu a eye again se ebia ye nko eye soja mamuo mu ni ade no a wo mu a wo mu ntampene so se wo soja mamuo de enye no wo mu egina wo mu mpene no esote ene wo mu epene no ekosoro etire wo se ye wo bibiyo. As a country, we need to do something. Yaman yosem no ye yama bibia wo krom ha ayaman yosem. Se wo kan sem kra e fa man no na e be se wo man no a wo sori atia sa asem no a wo ka ho asem no a na wo kasape no obi ati wo we de oye NDC ni we de oye NPP ni. Just listening to the person, whether the information and message no eye ade e beboa o man no da bi nya no a, because ye wo kan no ankwa ama no anana ban na wo so a wo ye bibia enye ntini nya ne de anana ban tie kire ne o ye no enhye da nye o kan enye ne de enti no na wafira wo ntoma. And it's allowed me sa no man emfa me ho. You can say whatever you want, but no kra ne de eye ba akopɛ. Enye GN mpo a report no nko. John Dramani Mahama, the current president of the republic, enso confirm ye kan ho asem say how our country ne kono. Or say our youth are beginning to believe in military rule. Mahama warns ene da ono. Ghana Web report to. That was 19 September 2025. President John Dramani Mahama has expressed concern over the recent developments in the sub-region, noting that many young people have endorsed the military takeovers in some countries. Teacher say mebunu he say adwuma semu enim ahokyere wo system ni mu ene hawa mebunu no efa mu amanyofo ba ye nyini mebunu ni ye die ho na mum de ye pe ene ye benya ye hu ne hia ye no. It's turning to a point say the youth are becoming disappointed. In fact, citizens are becoming disappointed in these two-party system. We are politicians. Say, this should be a message to you. Say, what Jenny eba or mine ye so. We are politicians. Every politician in Ghana, Sabri, if you say what Jenny eba or mine ye so. Now we will say, so mine kasabri emebulu wejuma eye. Anka unemployment ye kan na nka yetimi adu bia 5% ana akura ba 0 ne hu se mabunu nya adwuma ya mo nsa no nyuma bi ya mabunu ni nyina obi adadwene so atwa skill training vocational school ya expand hye wo mu dwa wo mo be didwa wo mo be sua nsa no nyuma esua timi aye bibia ebeboa ebinim wo pepa no so obeye bibi but fami koni ni wo oni bi wo kire ni bi wanimu. But then she say ya wo memu ya na ya be youth employment youth entrepreneurship no ahwan ni ya twa sika botren de yakoto sa sector ho enso ye hu mfaso obi ade bebre mabunu na manyofo no ahyase na sika no basa edu ye manyunia se wuti wa mpa ye se obo ne se wo man no ma bi beko yie di amayen enye sa ba bi a mabunu ni wo mu aka na dwene ko no enya de a ye pe enso dodo na adwene kɔ hɔ ene medical ready a kyerɛ no because do mu hiane sɛ adwuma bɛba do mu hiane sɛ ye won kane a ɛyɛ adwuma ɔkɔ na adwuma mu ɔkane a odi bɛyɛ adwuma ɔmɔka ye won hiane sɛ obenya apɔmuden pa ɔnkɔm yɛ nkasa bed ni ho nti obewu ye yɛ hwehwɛ ne sɛ ye bɛkɔ abɔnten kɔtɔ no ma no ɛno ma boɔ aba fam a ho kyerɛ enim bebree obia ho atɔ no. That is what the country obia ɛpɛ. If you are a politician, na o she say country no embo na wo nya wo ho a na wo de nya wo de a kai hu say there will be a time where untumi nyina de mabunu no abufuo ano. There will be a time untumi nyina mabunu no abufuo ano. Na I heard something from one politician. In fact, eya me nwanwa yie because oye penina eba manyosemu a me pena sempa na me wuni se oye obi a ne nkasa ye gina mu na nka oman no dadwene eda na koma so. But this comment ema me ye very disappointed. Eye former MP for Subun ono aso na pe general secretary for eye NPP Eugene Boakye Antwi na me pese wuti Oni Umaru Sanda Eya Channel 1 TV etwetwe nkomo na Umaru ebisa ne se oman no ankasa sesei onyaya nanka akosen because ase dodo no ano hweso oman no ba bi ebetumi akogina no se Mahama mampani a wodi animu sesei.
Because I believe, based on what you have done, let me ask you a question, and I want you to answer like a statesman. Yes, because I believe, based on what you have done, you have reached that level. You should be able to answer. What do you think would happen to Ghana if John Mahama fails?
But I'm not, you see, I want him to fail. I want my party to win the 2028 election.
So you want him to fail?
I don't want him to fail as in fail.
Let me ask you a question, and I want you to answer like a statesman. Yes, because I believe, based on what you have done, you have reached that level, and you should be able to answer. What do you think would happen to Ghana if John Mahama fails?
But I'm not, you see, I want him to fail. I want my party to win the 2028 election.
So you want him to fail?
I don't want him to.
And he said, Utie noa. But me pese utie the etwa so no wi na afei makamasem. Ti number way 2 no ma.
2028 election.
So you want him to fail?
I don't want him to fail as in fail. But I know they can do the NDC, the kind of things that I saw when we were in government. The same Ghanaians in the NDC, so it will be transferred across there. But I don't want Mahama to succeed as in succeeding, because I want my party to win.
That's not you thinking nationalistically.
Oh,
that's not you being patriotic.
But do you think I want the NDC to remain in power after 2028?
But
what's the point of it? You come into the general secretary.
But you want the country to see progress. And
of course, but everybody will come and do their bit.
Now, Obisa, a simple question, sir. Say Mahama etisui say o failure de ne besie no no pemu kura ne say na onu si hu no wo so opese e na Eugene eyi ano say, oh, I want him to fail. Me pese Mahama faili. Me pese Mahama o faili. Me pese mampani no faili. Di entia because no say adentia wo so opese the party eba power. Na on pese no ma obetumi aye no ma yi. And also be succeed. This is the mindset of a typical politician, not a patriotic citizen. We adwene obi amanyo sema didi ni tiri mu pa anya oman dadwene ena da ne so no odwene. It is a Ghana she na manyukuo ba sokra ope. And it's not only to Eugene Boakye Antwi. There are some NDCs who also think say NDC so was NPP phobia. NDC phobia mo says NPP was so anko man nhye. And only the idea bedri because as a country no ye bu amanyosem ensem America nyina no e be twisting to amanyosem but ye bu amanyosem chen wo man yi die. Ye bu party sem chen wo man yi die. How would you on earth even wish say o man no embo say obi a leader mpa o wish say on faili ensem bi wo cry wo trimu ana say wo wakoma mu cry nyensem nyina na ye ka as a patriotic citizen on the national television, because you have people who are looking up to you and bi show oh papa yi said you sika say odogana pa wo ne okote asem say bi free wanu mu a that youth no a ode wa ye nhweso no say youth no a ohwe wo so na wo de akoma pa bi de adi Ghana chi no hu ni say da bi say Ghana no de eye party sem nko a wo ba na wo say no a fine enti say no mabu na eni adwuma yo enkane asem ne ade a eye bibi e wo hoyi ye friend say ga o man sika asem a ye try say e betoto na no matumi akoyie nyina no. Eugene Boakye Antwi, are you saying say unya ya enkane nyina say enye ye? Now, how would we develop Ghana with this mindset? A better no mind yet we developing ye with adwene way. That you want him to fail because you want your party to come to power. Now, sticker eka sembi bra Facebook we yera sticker Nhyira so MP. Na ono nso eka asembi na fe ni magie di because metiye no since last week na mention that emfa nya asem ni say one of those things, but Eugene asem a wakan a confirm sticker asem.
Oh massa for me catch you say ba observation whether NDC NPP me ma dwunu mu ntinche say marking scheme. I'm not sure so benya 10% of NPP NDC for omo ye politics gidigidi e ka oni nyankopon a o wotima bi obinya na nka we asesa obinya na nka bantoma kwan nyina ye obinya na nhia so kwan nyina obinya na obi edi na obi anya adwuma ye ene wasua bibi na nani abre no pese obepushi anya no kre bebre onim so oba politics no ne namu na pa onya institution papa bi no head ya obenya contract e be cheni sika obeye obeto car to dan otobi wo
nti what sticker o see NPP NDC no mu nyina wo ho no obi ani Ghana at heart ono politician wo kanokre na dwene no ono de wahunu wa amanyosi mu ode na dwene ye nsusuye ewu mu ne se o mu nyina obi anwene Ghana ho ne ohia ne se ne party beba power ne ne wotumi atoka bia ba ne ode masem kra ka ho otumi atoto dan ye nya ne hu pam enu ne hia wo mu nyina and the Eugene akai confirm to the fact that amanyofo no nwene Ghana ho etu ye Ghana ni babun sesei na wokoto data 5 cities now so be di matem a think about yourself because una politician ni ma 50 cities ya na dia koto data na wo be di atem koso ane di atem edu campaign a wo na obetena ayi tipa track mu aye yodo na kohwie wagu me nkobi me nka ho etu de wo ye babunu enei enwene wo daache fa hoto amanyofo so na ye ka de o man ne be kwa animu a didi yatem we are okay if you are youth in Ghana today one thing you should know and it's don't kill yourself for a politician. Understand this for a fact because how can you make this statement Jeff Anato Sumami you are Eugene Boakye how can you make this statement that you wish Ghana fails? Oh, we should say Ghana and fail because say Mahama failure, Ghana fail. Mahama failure because he's a president currently. And he said, so fail now dollar no could do 20. Ghana for you na bebre. Say o fail ni ntimi anti employment so Ghana for you na bebre. Unemployment so Ghana for you na bebre. Say o fail na nei. Yes, o man na ko bobesia ye ntimi ntua nti abrofo de wo nsa beto ye japade nyina so Ghana for you na bebre. How would even the NPP survive if Mahama a goofy big time na odo man no koto amena donko mi no man say ya how would you even bring it out 2016 na do dan kwa kufu adu wini ya wo baaye yeti complaints a wo mae say abaidada no wakoba ye ka abaidada no aboka guho abaidada no ye say ntina ma amamu no kura ye diama no nti udwin say that time 2016 Mahama timi ye no ma yie nanka wo baaye mfaso da ho a wo man ne ka bia ni woni ade a enka kufu adu be mae sa complaints no enka amamu no kura be simple amano but because of politics we always wish that the nation suffers so that our political parties no enya gains. That is witchcraft. And we are bayisem because trying say o mine di ye kura de yesu ye bedi ye nti obi a 1% o mine bedi ye ne edi ye bia no I said ye wo ye bayisem no. This is wrong. Yama bi bia ye too political. Ade kura beboa o mine kura na ye too political. And that is why up to now me akosombu jano kura mentiasie akosombu sa jano eto still mentiasie. How on earth would you even wish say country and fail a whole country should fail because one he is the leader the driver of the country currently and then some na penika I respected you a lot pa but this statement there you shouldn't have even made it. It shouldn't have even come out of your mouth. E won see abese ye keka bibi se be ya yamanyoku obe hu say ye adwuma de because pe general secretary but ensem bi wo ha you don't say it that Ghana should fail so that politically your party comes to power. O mine edu baby a wanhwe ya ha dwene amanzan kakra bi na
sao rade nyankopon